This is the lift in the Pride Hill shopping centre in Shrewsbury. It's a Kone lift. Maximum load 10 persons and 800 kilos. Really nice Dewhurst fixtures. We're now at the first floor and we'll finish here. There it goes. And that's the lift in the glass lift in the Pride Hill shopping centre in Shrewsbury. We're going to go up to the third floor. And there's just an unknown type lift. The maximum load is 24 persons and 1800 kilos. There's a clock up there. We're now at the floor 3. Go down to 1. Oh. We'll watch it go down. There it goes. There's a keyhole up there. And that's it. Take 2 of the gas lift at the Pride Hill shopping centre in Shrewsbury.
Is going
Let's go down to 1.
Doors closing. This lift is going down. Doors
Unknown
closing.
company. Maximum load 24 persons, 1,800 kilos. 1,800 kilos. It's a very good view out here. We're now back at 1. Watch the lift go up.
Door open. This lift is going up.
Right, let's watch the lift go up. And that's it. This is yet another lift at the Pride Hill shopping centre in Shrewsbury. It's very dark in here. Oh, the lights have just come on. Let's go down to 0.
Doors closing.
That indicates that, oh, it's on. Maximum load is 8 persons, 630 kilos, the Jackson lift, and I do like this LCD screen here. Looks more different than the LCD screen from the Swanwick shopping centre in Horsham as well. But this one's good because it says Shrewsbury shopping and there's Darwin, Pride Hill and Riverside. Let's go back up to 2.
Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing.
Very posh. Let's take a cab in here. I do like this LED light up there. And this wall's reflection of the LED light. We're now back up to 2.
Second floor. Doors opening.
There it goes. It's a keyhole. And that's it.